So I'll go ahead and show you what 70,000 miles on a Tesla with no clear bra looks like. Chips. Right here. There's already a lot of paint chips. The car has 70,000 miles. It's a used car, but they want to protect it from getting chipped up more, which can't blame them. What's up everybody? In today's video I'm working on a Tesla Model Y. I'll be wrapping the hood in Xpel Paint Protection Film and the front bumper. First thing I do is I rub it down with some Rapid Prep. It cleans all the waxes and grease, and then I finish it off with alcohol. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, I did have to use my clay bar, which this is like a synthetic clay bar thing. There's a lot of debris on there. Alright, now that I got the hood done, I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, the edges, while I work on the bumper. So same process for the bumper as far as cleaning it. I'm going to use that Rapid Prep, then alcohol. Yeah, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give it a like. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. And yeah, let's just keep going. Okay, it got really bright out here all of a sudden, so I'm pretty much done though with the front bumper, and now I just got to wrap the edges. That's why I got my glove on. But yeah, and I'll be out of here. All done. Time to wrap it up. Okay, as you can see, that Tesla was pretty straightforward. I've done a lot of those, but that bumper was chewed up pretty bad. It was like, I guess it had 70,000 miles on it. In the video, hopefully you can see in the video, it was really bad, like really bad. Anyways, the clear bra went on it, made it look smooth, but you can still see the major rock chips. It kind of hides the really itty bitty ones. Yeah, same for the hood. The hood actually looked a little bit better, in my opinion, with the clear bra on, even though it had chips on it. As you noticed, I was doing it outside, and that was because it was kind of overcast and it was kind of a cool day. It wasn't really hot and there was no wind. So it's always nice to work outside, you know. But anyways, it turned out really good. Customer was happy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and like the video if you made it this far, you know, that'd be great. And yeah, I still have 2 more jobs to do today. Day's not over, but anyways, not gonna show you that. All right, peace.